in the sorcery. Oh, I felt that.
You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, it is dangerous. Grateful I had all the patience. I know you going through some changes. You taking pictures, know your angle.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. As we all know, it is back to school season. Now here in New York, school doesn't start until I believe September 5th, but I know out of state like Atlanta in the South and charter schools definitely have already started school. So I want to get into, you know, like back to school looks, and the first thing I want to touch on when going back to school is skincare. You know, transitioning from the summer season into the fall season, your skin is going to change, so you want to make sure you prepare your skin for those changes. So today what I'm going to do is just basically jump into some skincare. I just came from the hair salon. I got me a fresh little doobie. I got a wash and set with a blowout. And then after this, I'll go into filming, you know, my back to school makeup look, or you know, a look that's appropriate for you to do. Today's video is in collaboration with Biovene Barcelona. Biovene Barcelona is a skincare company. I'm sure you dolls know about it, but if you don't, I will definitely leave links to their Instagram and their website in the description box below. They reached out to me, and I guess they've been watching, you know, our channel. They've been a part of the dollhouse, so they know how big I am on skincare. So they wanted to send me some cool skincare products. I got it about a week ago. For starters, they sent me this charcoal magnetic mask. Now, I've been seeing videos go up with this magnetic face mask since last year, and I've always wanted to try it, but I don't know what kept me from trying it. I think I was always waiting for more subscribers on my channel, which I clearly have now, thanks to you dolls. So I can finally do this. Apparently this is a magnetic charcoal mask, and you put it on your face and then you use a magnet to lift the face mask off, but it also digs deep into your pores and pulls out all the oils and toxins and dirt and everything from beneath the surface of your skin, which I think is really cool and fun, especially to do, you know, for going back to school. You can do it with your friends. I think this is a really, really cool face mask skincare project. What's so cool about Biovene Barcelona is they not only thought of me, but they thought of my subscribers and all of the dolls in the dollhouse, because they know how much I love you dolls, and they know how giving I am. Like, anytime a company sends me something, I always make sure to ask, make sure you have something in there for my dolls. Like, I want to share with you dolls. So we're experiencing this whole YouTube growth together, so you might as well benefit as much as I am from these companies. They sent me 3 different types of face masks. One is a charcoal acne patch. The next is an aqua sleeping mask. That sounds really good. And the last one is a pink peel off mask, which I wish I could try because I think pink would look so cute as a face mask. But I will be giving away these 3 face products to 3 lucky dolls. I don't know how I'm going to do this giveaway, so stay tuned for the end of this video for the rules and how you can enter in on winning a bomb face mask for back to school. Once again, I just want to say thank you so much to Biovene, and let's jump right into this video. Before I ever put on a face mask, I always pre-exfoliate because I don't expect the face mask to do all the work for me. So I like to exfoliate, and my favorite exfoliating cleanser is the oil-free acne wash pink grape foaming scrub from Neutrogena. It smells so good and it feels so amazing. So I'm gonna go exfoliate with this, and then my face is, you know, gonna have a semi-clean surface for the face mask, and then we'll just jump right into the fun. Give me 2 seconds. I'm back. I just finished exfoliating. Now I'm gonna just pat to dry my face. please, please, please excuse my edges. The girl is natural, so it's not gonna be all straight. It's definitely gonna be a little rough and curly. So let's, for starters, open up the face mask. This is the mask I'll be using today. Really quickly though, they gave me a travel bag. It says, I will travel wherever you go, because you know when you travel you gotta bring skincare. And it's like a cute little caddy. You can put your makeup, your toothbrush, you can put a lot of stuff in here. So I thought that was really, really cute. I love when companies send me cute things in PR. Forgive me, I get stuff in PR now. So when I open the box, ooh, it already smells good. I open the box and this is what it comes with. It comes with the mask, it comes with the magnet, and it comes with like a spoolie for you to put the mask on your face. I'm gonna guess that this is a rag to wipe everything off when you're done. Now, if some of you dolls don't know, activated charcoal is very, very good. It's great for skin, it's great for teeth whitening. It's just a natural ingredient that's just really good for skin and cosmetic looks. Okay, now the mask did come with instructions how to use the magnet mask. Use the spatula to spread in a thin layer over a cleansed face, which we just did. We cleansed our face. Avoid the eye area and leave on for 10 minutes. Wrap the magnet with the, okay, so we're supposed to wrap this paper around the magnet and run it near to the surface of your face. You don't need the magnet to touch your skin until the mask has removed completely. So we're gonna use this towelette to put around the magnet, and we're gonna use that to lift everything off of our face. Massage the remaining oils to infuse ingredients into the skin. Follow with your favorite moisturizer and use twice a week. So this is what the face mask looks like on the inside, and it smells so good. I'm gonna just begin by lathering it all over my face. It's really thick and it has like a floral scent. I tend to always like to get my nose because you know our nose has these pores and blackheads love to build up there. We might want to avoid our eyebrows too because the normal charcoal mask definitely peels your eyebrows off, so let's avoid that area. Now my forehead doesn't really give me too much trouble, just right in between this area here, and that's only because that's where the Chinese people use their wax that they dip in and dip out after using them. It's just so dirty I don't even want to talk about it. I need a new way to get my eyebrows all, you know, cleaned up and done up without having to feel so OCD-ish about cleanliness. Okay, so I'm definitely going to want to say that it's safe to say that this bottle is going to last us a long time because I just lathered this all over my face and there's still a fair amount left. And if we're doing this once a week, then it should at least last us about, you know, 2 months. And we're going to let this sit on my face for 10 minutes, just like the instructions said. And when we get back, we will start to use the magnet piece. Alright, so it's definitely been a full 10 minutes, maybe even 15 since I've had the face mask on. I didn't get like a tingle, a burn, nothing. I didn't feel anything, so I don't know if it like activated on its own. I don't know. Usually with face masks, I determine if it works if I feel something. Right now, I'm not feeling absolutely anything, so we'll see what my skin looks and feels like once I take the mask off. So this is the magnetic clip that they gave with the face mask, and once again, this is the wipe. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. What the direction says to do is cover it, and oh my God, the moment of truth, the moment of truth. I hope I can get like a quick close-up and slow-mo of what this thing is doing. Oh, I felt that. I felt that. I'm gonna zoom me in so I could get a thumbnail. Let's try this again. But yeah, we're real nice and close now, so let's see. Did you see that? That is crazy. Let me go to my Instagram feed real quick. Wow. Y'all see that? Oh, so this is what it looks like once it comes up off the skin. This is, wow. And it's like, it just sucks the, what is in this stuff? I actually think I put too much on also. This is like really, really weird right now. Yo, this is crazy right now. This is like really crazy. This is so cool. Now this is full, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch out. Be careful when you're taking it off because this magnet stuff is strong. So you're just gonna wanna pull right up so it doesn't stick to the actual magnet. Get another one and repeat. If this isn't dope, I don't know what else is. This is dope, and this is definitely gonna be fun for you to do before getting back to school. Buy it, y'all. Alrighty, that should be good. Now I'm gonna follow the instructions and I'm gonna rub everything in. Massage it into my skin. Then it tells us to moisturize with our favorite moisturizer. We all know that right now my favorite moisturizer is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel, which I've just been loving. Then my next favorite moisturizer, as we all know, is my cortisone. Ugh, yes. And there we have it, dolls. I would say that my skin definitely does feel smooth. How is my skin supposed to feel after? The iron particles work together with the activated charcoal to draw out impurities using magnetic currents as you hover the included magnet over your face in order to remove the mask. Massage your face with the remaining oils, vitamins, and minerals to nourish, moisturize, and tighten your youthful looking skin. What do you dolls think? I do see like a nice blur on my face right now. We do see that I have this little spot that, and this little pimple right there. That's just from eating bad, honestly. You know, it's the summertime and I've just been eating everything, oily foods, fried foods, everything. But For the most part, I like the mask. I can't say for sure if it's 100% effective as of right now, but I definitely will try it again next week and, you know, see how my skin takes to it throughout this entire week. Cross our fingers, no breakouts, and, you know. So as stated in the beginning of this video, I do have some masks to give away, and I will be announcing the rules on how you can enter into the contest to win one of these masks in my next video, which more than likely will be my back to school, you know, makeup tutorial. And the reason why I'm not going to do that in this video is because I want to see how the face mask works on my skin. You know, I don't want to recommend you dolls anything that'll, you know, personally break me out, although our skin types may not be the same. If it, you know, if it breaks out on me, then it's definitely going to be bad for you because I don't have sensitive skin. So if this doesn't do my skin right, then there is a problem. As of right now, I'm putting all my trust into the product because I like it a lot and it does feel really good on my skin. So let's just hope for the best, and thank you dolls so much for tuning in. If you dolls would like to see more videos of me trying different products, then let me know in my comment section below. Give me a thumbs up if you dolls enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye dolls.